Self-supervised learning, learning without labels. Imagine an AI that learns just like a human without needing thousands of labels. That's self-supervised learning. This revolutionary approach in machine learning is changing the way we think about training models. Traditionally, most machine learning systems rely heavily on labeled data. For example, to train a model to recognize cats, you need thousands of images of cats labeled as cat. But labeling data is a massive and expensive task. It takes time, resources, and often human labor. In many fields like healthcare, science, or language processing, expert annotation can be even more time-consuming and costly. That's where self-supervised learning comes in, offering a game-changing alternative. Self-supervised learning, or SSL, allows models to teach themselves by using the data's own structure. It's like giving the model a puzzle and asking it to solve it without showing the final picture. The key idea is to generate labels automatically from the data itself. For instance, if you give a model a sentence and hide a word, the model's task becomes predicting that missing word. Over time, by performing millions of these tasks, the model starts to understand language patterns, grammar, context, meaning, without ever seeing a human-created label. This idea isn't limited to text. In images, a model might learn to colorize black and white photos, predict the position of a missing patch, or guess the next frame in a video. These tasks are self-generated and don't require labeled datasets, yet they teach the model valuable knowledge about structure and content. This approach is similar to how humans learn. Think of a child. They don't need every object labeled before they start to understand the world. They observe, explore, and make sense of patterns through experience. SSL tries to mimic this natural learning behavior. That's why it's becoming such a hot topic in both research and industry. It helps solve a big problem: the scarcity of labeled data. With SSL, we can unlock the potential of massive amounts of unlabeled data. Photos, text, videos that already exist but weren't useful for training in traditional supervised learning pipelines. The success of self-supervised learning has already been demonstrated in some of the most advanced AI systems. Foundation models like GPT, BERT, and CLIP are all built using variations of SSL. They are trained on enormous datasets pulled from the internet, without needing anyone to manually label the data. These models can then be fine-tuned for specific tasks with far less labeled data than before. That means faster development, lower cost, and broader access to AI technology. Big tech companies like Google, Meta, and OpenAI are heavily investing in this technique because they see its transformative potential. SSL is powering advances in computer vision, natural language understanding, robotics, and even biology. It's enabling machines to learn more efficiently and in more generalizable ways, paving the path for AI systems that are not just good at one task, but capable of adapting to many tasks, just like humans do. And one of the biggest advantages? It democratizes machine learning. By reducing the reliance on annotated datasets, smaller teams and organizations can now experiment with powerful models without needing huge labeling budgets. It opens doors for innovation in areas where data is abundant, but labeled data is not. At its core, self-supervised learning is about letting machines make sense of the world on their own terms. By exploring patterns, building representations, and learning from the natural structure of data. It's an exciting leap toward more intelligent and flexible AI systems. And as this field grows, we can expect to see even more breakthroughs that push the boundaries of what machines can learn, all without needing explicit instructions or labels.